Most people think AI image generators are complicated, but this one can turn a simple sentence into a full video in seconds. So if you've been hearing about Vivago AI and wondering how it actually works, here's a quick and simple breakdown you can follow. First, open your browser and go to the Vivago AI website. You'll land on the main interface where everything is pretty straightforward. Right away, you'll notice three main options: generating images from text, generating videos from text, and turning an image into a video. Let's start with the easiest one. Tap on the image generator. This is where you can create visuals just by typing what you want. For example, you can type something like a large forest with sunlight coming through the trees, or even something more creative like a forest on fire at sunset. The more specific your prompt is, the better your result will look. Once you've entered your prompt, tap Generate. If it's your first time, the platform will ask you to sign in. You can use a Google or Yahoo account, and once you're in, you'll get free credits to start creating. Now, if you want to create videos instead, go back and choose the video generator. It works in a similar way. You describe what you want, and the AI turns that into a short video clip. There's also the third option, which is honestly one of the coolest features. You can upload an image, like an old photo, and turn it into a video. For example, you can transform a childhood picture into a short animation that transitions into your current look. Another thing to know is that credits refresh over time, so even if you run out today, you can come back later and continue creating without paying right away. Overall, the platform is designed to be simple. You don't need editing skills or technical experience. Just type what you want, generate, and let the AI handle the rest. If this helped you understand how to use Vivago AI, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more simple AI tutorials like this.